Are you looking to take your epoxy resin creations to the next level? Look no further than incorporating gears into your designs. Gears can add a unique and industrial touch to your resin projects, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. First, prepare some transparent epoxy resin. Mix some of them with glitter. I choose gold and black glitter. I poured it in the edge of the plate.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This support me to create new videos. Write your opinion or ask me questions in comments.
Now, choose your favorite gears of different sizes and styles. Place them strategically in your resin mold, ensuring they are evenly spaced for a balanced look. Once your gears are in place, carefully pour your epoxy resin mixture over them. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing and pouring the resin to achieve the best results. Whether you're making jewelry, coasters, or art pieces, incorporating gears is sure to impress. As the resin cures, the gears will become encapsulated in a glossy, durable finish, creating a stunning and one-of-a-kind piece. Now I added the last layer. The base of the plate, I chose it in white color to visualize the gears. All you need to gear up and get creative with epoxy resin. The possibilities are endless, and the results are sure to wow. Don't forget to follow me in different social media and visit my shop. You will find links in description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more resin crafting tips and inspiration. Like this video and tell me your opinion in comments. Stay safe, bye.